So, yes, we lived in my grandfather's house for a few months. My grandfather was George, and I loved meeting my grandfather George. Whenever I ran into him, he'd always give me money. He'd always give me a pound note. And in those days, a pound note was a fortune. So yeah, I loved my grandfather George, and I have a lot of memories of staying in that house in Palace in Banmore. And one of the memories was his grandfather clock, which hung on the wall. So that's what this song is about. It's about my grandfather's old cuckoo clock. When I was a child, a long time ago, a memory I'll always adore was the time that I spent at my grandfather's house in the townland of Palace Banmore. A new family from the big smoke set free on the way to a place of our own. For a short little spell, we were lucky to dwell in the house where my father was born. The house, it was small, barely room for us all, but we managed to make the best. A welcoming hearth filled with plenty of turf and room for my grandfather's vest. He loved his old dog and the brown fishing rod and my late granny's dresser and dell. But hung on the wall, the greatest treasure of all was my grandfather's old cuckoo clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo, went the old cuckoo clock. At 1, at 2, tick-tock, tick-tock. 'Twas a short little song, but we all sang along to my grandfather's old cuckoo clock. Now that old cuckoo clock played a mystery for me. I wondered what went on inside. Was the cuckoo asleep, all curled up in a heap, or was he counting the minutes like me? I'd sit and I'd stare at those brown wooden doors, and the moment the cuckoo appeared, from morning till night, brought such delight. My grandfather's old cuckoo clock. Let's hear you now. Cuckoo, cuckoo, went the old cuckoo clock. At 1, at 2, tick-tock, tick-tock. 'Twas a short little song, but we all sang along to my grandfather's old cuckoo clock. Have rolled on since those juvenile days. The memories have started to fade. The old guard have gone and the new carry on. We don't dwell on the sad times too long. But when I think of that house and my grandfather's smile, and reflect on the times that we had, no cares, no regrets, and I'll never forget my grandfather's old cuckoo clock. Cuckoo, cuckoo, went the old cuckoo clock. At 1, at 2, tick-tock, tick-tock. 'Twas a short little song, but we all sang along to my grandfather's old cuckoo clock.
Last time, sing it.
Cuckoo, cuckoo, went the old cuckoo clock. At 1, at 2, tick-tock, tick-tock. 'Twas a short little song, but we all sang along to my grandfather's old cuckoo clock.